Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an Inku unboxing video for you, and it is the July unboxing, so perfect timing. There's a lot of stationery items this time. Alright, let's get right into it. So the first thing I noticed with these, I thought they were maybe paper clips, but I think they're supposed to be... oh no, it is paper clips. They almost look like hair clips, don't they? Let's open them up. So Celina Lee is a character with Sanrio. Okay, here they are, all opened up, and like, don't these look like hair clips? like maybe for your fringe. I mean, they are a little on the rough side. Like, I probably wouldn't want to put this in my hair or near my skin, but they kind of look like it. But they're actually meant to be clips for paper. So that is very unusual, but cute. And then we have an eraser here. I don't think this is any part of a particular series, but it's cute. Oh, Sanex. Alright, there you go. Just, oh, okay, I totally missed that. I love these erasers from Japan that I see a lot when I go visit, but I've never actually used them. I buy them because they're so cute, but you can see, like, this is the full eraser, but there's like a, can you tell, an indent? So it like goes down. It's a gap, and then they've got like a loose eraser on the inside, which is like a little character. It is one of the most cutest ideas, but functionally speaking, it's probably not super practical. And then we have these envelopes. Yes, they're envelopes. So basically, I'll open this up so you can have a better look. But on the front, just a cute penguin character with fruit salad. And then in the back, an envelope where you can put some money if you were going to give someone a gift. So that is pretty cute. Okay, there must be some like penguin series that I'm not aware of, but I don't think it's part of any series. Amifa? Don't know. This looks like kind of a letter. This is cute. So in its full, when you expand it, you can write a little message on the penguin's belly, and then you can fold it, and it's kind of like a letter. Okay, I want to try this. I want to see it in person. Oh, okay, there's so many of them. Plenty. Alright, yeah, it's just paper with a little, like, you've got a tab here so you can, like, fold it inward and then clip it down like that. This is such a cute idea. Oh. But I'm not even sure, like, what occasion, because it's, like, not very Christmas. It's maybe birthday, but then again, it's not even birthday themed. Yeah, who knows, but it's such a cute idea. We have some pens here. We've got one pen. Actually, I think this is a highlighter, but we can try this out at the end. And then this is just a regular pencil, HB pencil. Yep. We've got some washi tape of fish. So apparently there were two designs you could get, koi fish or fireworks, and so I got koi fish. And then we have the cutest notepad. I love these. I love collecting these. I don't know, a lot of like the stationery I have is probably not the most practical, but I mean, how cute is it? Sometimes I just collect it for the sake of collecting. And there are two designs. So you've got this one and then this one. So cute. And then we've got two more items. So here we've got some paper tabs, which I don't know anyone who doesn't need paper tabs. So there's enough space on their belly so you can write notes. And this is apparently supposed to be a mini plate. By the way, very impressed with a lot of the designs, like the commercial. I'm always thinking about the commercial licensing of Sanrio and Sanex, and love that there's a good theme going. But this is just a little plate that you might put next to your desk that can just collect keys or whatever. But isn't this the best? I love this. It's so adorable. Yeah, you can put like nail polish, keys, candy, whatever. I've got two plates next to me that I've collected over the years from different subscription boxes, and I have one that holds all my like hair clips and stuff, and then one that holds a lot of delicate jewelry that I use on the daily. Alright, let's go test out that last pen. Okay, so this is a gel tip pen. I don't know if we featured this in the past, but I feel like I'm quite familiar with this particular pen. Play.color. I can't figure out the brand, but yeah, you've got one side which is a dot like that, although The thing that annoys me about this is that you need to be really careful when you are dotting, otherwise you get like half a dot, so you need to kind of push down and do a little circle, and then you've got a pen side. So play dot. Also, the other thing I forgot to mention, with this pencil, I'm not going to sharpen it, but I don't know if you can see, I'm gonna have to get the focus right on this. But do you see how it's like rainbow? So the lead is still gray, but as you sharpen it, you'll have like all the colors of the rainbow coming through the wood, which is such a nice, so cool, such a cool touch. Focus is going off. So yeah, that is everything in July's Inku unboxing. I really love all the items this month. They make me really happy. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.